The crime is increasing. In the anger, people don't.
If you are having revenge, I want to take the revenge.
The root causes of the crime. The only thing
that a person can give.
So if every people
The Pune case where a rich guy
No matters that you have awareness
about the mentality, poverty, and
psychopath kind of thing is going on because
why it is increasing. See, why all
yes, it is all right.
Is also not that much good.
crime. So yeah, we can find in this
Hey all, I'm also good. Today we are playing group discussion and our topic is criminal activities, and we are going to discuss about how criminal activities are increasing in Delhi and overall the country. So let's start without wasting further time.
Hello everyone. Hello. I hope you are all well. In my perspective, the crime rate is increasing because of the emotions are controlling human. Like there are two emotion in my perspective, that anger and the love, which control human. Because of that, the crime is increasing. In the anger, people don't know what they say. They are not able to understand what they are saying. And especially in the love, people forgot the giving the people space. That's why crime is increasing. And in my perspective, if we want to decrease the crime rate, so in a school there's one subject should add, that is called psychology, which help everyone what is kind of emotion we should understand.
Okay, so I appreciate everyone's your point, but now what I think, I don't want to talk about crime. I want to talk about how to stop crime. This mindset is everything, because this mindset can be your friend and even can be your enemy. Because in this mindset, if you are having revenge, I want to take the revenge, then obviously the crime will happen. And second one, the option is the fear. That after raping a girl, what happened? After 11 years, someone gets suicide. There should be a fear. There should be an awareness to stop the crime. And if there is nothing, then crime rate will be there, and the day is not later when the India will be fully of crime.
yes, I agree with your point, and yes, also you. So the thing is that just I want to talk about the root causes of the crime. What is the root causes of the crime? The only thing is that about the people awareness. They don't have any awareness. They don't respect the rules and regulation and about the law. Because in India, mostly in India, like we don't respect our rules and regulation and the the law. Because while driving the car and while riding the scooty and any bike, so we always think like, okay, the traffic police will not catch us. So definitely we shouldn't wear the helmet. The thing is that because small steps, if you are taking the small steps into the criminal activity, so that time you will commit the big crime. That's the reason of it.
Tushar sir, I think that you are saying about the right things, but the thing is that the people's mentality is that if I give the bride to someone, I will be free in any time. So that's why the thing peoples are not aware about the peoples. Like the law is been changing from past 2 or 3 years, that a person can give a bribe and just get out from the jail or any type of things. I should that the peoples get more and more crucial type of punishment for the type of things which we are going to face, like the rape type of cases, the murder type of cases. The peoples are doing
I agree with your point, but the main thing is that nobody is seeing the real problem of this, where this problem is coming up. The problem is coming up from the upbringing, how you raised your child, because that's where the mentality has begun to be ready. Like if a person is facing their situation and nobody is there for him, so he will think about the world in a very negative sense and negative way. So he build that kind of mentality, and he will show this aggression towards the society. So that is what is the mentality. So if every people decided to just focus on other people, like he's handling some kind of situation, and he and she will be there with him, or at least to give them the hope.
I would say the problem is not about the awareness or of something like. People in India know that there is a law for every crime and you have to get punishment for it. But people don't follow because of the system. Because people know if we give bribe, we will be free of it. That is the main reason. The Pune case where a rich guy hit someone with his car. Like there was a case about Kolkata. That crime was also done by a minister. But people, why he is free? Because he know he have money. He's a son of minister. That is the reason. Only it doesn't matter if people are educated or not. It's only educated people or rich people who do crime because they know they can.
Yes ma'am, whatever you're
That
saying,
is the main reason.
it's very amazing point also. But as you mentioned it, every person do the crime, because in right now no matters that you have awareness, you have a knowledge and not, because right now every person educated right now, because whenever you see the like any crimes, so crimes also do the by the education person, they have a good mindset also. The reason is that, and first crimes come only for your mind. First that reason is that biggest reason is that in that time after after that you see that person do the crime again, like if I come in the mind like
Okay,
crime
sir.
after.
So I do subscribe everyone's point. So there is no point of describing about the what is the causes of the crime. It can be anything about the mentality, poverty, and the uneducated people. But the thing is that how can we stop the crime? So the simple thing is that we can stop the crime because of the two things. First is alertness, and the second thing is awareness. We can aware people, but the thing is that we should alert by our own self. So two things are very important to stop the crime. And the second thing is that we can stop crime with the help of the tight rules and regulation. As we know that in India there are so many rules and regulation who they don't are the tight, like I can say they are not the strict rules and regulation, but in UAE countries, but there are the so many.
So yeah, I appreciate you with your point. Whatever kind of anti-measures you mentioned about the crime. Yeah, it's totally true, because right now the whatever kind of crime cases happen because of the public. That's why that kind of cases happen. And the previously what kind of psychopath kind of thing is going on, because why? Because of the people. There are many people who are just doing that kind of activity, in that they're just doing the murder kind of thing in terms of the satisfaction of their own psychology. And apart from that, there are multiple cyberbullying kind of cases is also going on the that's why there are anti-various kind of anti-measures made by the government in terms of stopping that kind of thing. And apart from that, if you want to stop that kind of thing, firstly we should to increase the awareness. Whatever you all said
Yes.
about it is true.
I appreciate the point, and I would like to inform one thing related to this cyber crime. Why it is increasing? See, why not people are aware about the cyber crime? We all use internet, or we all are having the kinds of accounts on our social media, but we are not properly aware about it, that how to use it properly. Many kinds of girls who gets blackmailed by because of their photos and all the things, and the problem is that they are not aware about it, and they don't, if they get stuck in the problem, any kind of problem, so they don't do a police case and don't even tell their parents. So here we can say the criminal get more strength in themselves to do
Yes, ma'am.
things
Whatever
again.
the statement you have given us, yes, it is all right. In my thing, someone says that education is the kind of a weapon by which we can stop the crime. But I don't think so that education can stop the crime, because these days we can see those who are the educated person, they are doing the more crime instead of the person who don't have the education. In the other hand, we can see the person, means in the term of the law, we should make the strong law. Then who will make from our group? There are some person who will chosen by us.
Okay, ma'am,
They
I
will
think
have to
that
make the strong law.
I think that everyone is right in their own, but I think that the problem is also because of the mobile phone that the children are getting. They are not legally we can say on the age to get a mobile phone, but still parents are providing the mobile phone to the children. So that is not good, because they are watching some kind of videos that are not good for them, and they are watching the criminal activitical videos that is not also good for them. They are seeing that some people are going and making the videos on the gangster songs that people are making. They are trying to relate themselves with them, so that is also not good, and they are not aware how our action is going to work on the society and how they are going to affect the society. That's why they are doing these kind of crimes, and I don't think that it is going to give a good impression to the society.
Okay, so I literally want to add one more point in the term of nature and environment, because today's nature and environment is also not that much good. Like pure environment and a pure thinking is a different kind of thing, because in the previous generation we have the calmness, we have the patience. That's why we all are just making others we just forgive others, but now we have the egoistic nature, we have the aggression just because of our environment and the surrounding. That's also responsible for today's crime rates. That's all.
Okay, so our topic is crime. So yeah, we can find in the society there are some few people who are aware about the crime, but the majority of the people, they don't aware about the crime. Why? Just because of the lack of knowledge, just because of the lack in education system. Because we can find in our education system there is no subject related to the crime, there is no subject related to this safety. Yeah, because every time we can find in the night, in the afternoon, the safety is not there. For the girls, for the men, for everyone, we can find the safety is not there. The police are there, but still they are not doing any things for the girls, for the girls' safety. And we can find in the world there are a lot of things are going on related to the crime, but nobody wants to take the action on it.
Yes, about the actions. See, the thing is that in the past time, in the previous era, what we think, how we think. So the people used to get with together, right? People got the harmony in their life. But now time, everyone is greedy about their dream, everyone is running behind the money, and the main cause of the crime is just like a money. Anyhow we can describe the money is very powerful. Money can release the stress, money can buy happiness, but the anyhow we need to discuss money is the cause of the crime. Just like we always used to think about, and we also used to listen about the news is right, because of the money, like the relatives are fighting each other because of the money. The crime is happening day by day just because of the money. There is a robberies going on in the
Yes, sir, I
bank.
appreciate your point, but everyone is talking about the awareness. But how can we? Here the question arises: how can we spread the awareness? Fear. To prove my statement, I want to provide you the evidence. There was the great epic called Mahabharata. A man insulting women caused the great fight where the millions of the people got die, called Mahabharata. That's fear. That is awareness. But in now, what is awareness? Nothing. The awareness is such a joke. Nothing is awareness, and nothing is just a fear. The people are doing the crime, murder, or doing a lot of things, but they are having a fear. No, they are having education. No, nothing they are having. That is the root cause of it.
Solution of crime is just not about the awareness of education, but is also about the strict laws. We all know the Indian judiciary is a big joke all over the world, and is really a right time to introduce the good laws for the crime, especially for the raping, molestation, for even men and women also. That is the main thing. If we have a good laws, so we are able to protect the everyone around us. Apart from that, in a parliament, nobody talks about the crime, especially in the Kolkata rape case. We all heard about that, but in a parliament nobody talks about that.